Hi, it's Jason at Jordan Bikes. I've got a lovely gem. Nice is this Kawasaki ZZR1400. This is the ABS one, and it is absolutely beautiful. Super low mileage. It has only done, wait for it, 6,865 miles, and you can tell, honestly, it's absolutely beautiful. As it left the factory, not molested, not played with, just a gorgeous thing. 2009 on an 09 plate, so it's nearly 10 years old and super low mileage. Proper rare old beast of these. Gorgeous, lovely metallic blue, standard exhaust, standard tail end and so on. I said it is the ABS one. It is going to get a fresh pair of tyres and a service. It's just ready to rock and roll. Proper big hypersport these, lovely. Lovely silky smooth engine. We'll give that a start for you so you can hear. (1352cc) of creamy torque. Absolutely beautiful to ride of these. So come on down to Jordan Bikes and take a look for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.